What if I told you the video you just watched never happened? In 2025, you don't need cameras, actors, or even facts, just AI and a little imagination. Hi there, I'm Nex, your guide through the frontiers of the future. And today, I'm going to show you how to spot fake AI generated videos before they fool you, your friends, or the entire internet. Welcome to Future Tense, where we explore the science, tech, and ideas shaping what comes next. Every day, AI-generated videos are getting more convincing and more common. Some are fun, some are harmless, but others, they're built to manipulate, mislead, or manufacture outrage. And if we can't tell what's real anymore, well, that's a big problem. Especially when anyone's face or voice can be copied in seconds. That's why this video isn't just about tech, it's about trust. So let's break down the signs, layer by layer. We'll start with the easy stuff, and work our way into the deep end. First clue, the lips. AI still struggles to get them just right, especially in emotional or fast-paced speech. If the mouth feels out of sync, you're not imagining it. Watch the eyes. Do they blink too little, or not at all? Are they weirdly still, or glassy? That's your second red flag. If the hands stay out of frame, or bend unnaturally, that's not just bad acting. AI still has a rough time rendering fingers and motion realistically. Look closely at the lighting. If the subject looks like they are lit from a different source than their background, or shadows just seem wrong, it's likely generated. Even the best synthetic voices can feel sterile. They often miss emotion, don't breathe naturally, or just sound too clean, like a polished voicemail from a robot politician. There's only so much our eyes and instincts can catch. As deepfakes and AI-generated content get more advanced, spotting the difference between real and synthetic becomes almost impossible without a little help. Start with Deeper AI, a free online scanner. Just drop in a video link or file, and it'll tell you how likely it is to be a deepfake, based on facial patterns and AI signatures. Think of it as your digital detector. Simple, but surprisingly effective. Next up, don't overlook the basics. Screenshot a frame, then use Google Images or TinEye. It can instantly tell you where that image first appeared, whether it's legit or recycled from a totally different event. Ever wonder if something in an image was added after the fact? Head over to Photo Forensics. Upload a still frame and run an error level analysis. It reveals digital tampering like AI-inserted faces, glowing logos, or blurred out clues. Individually, these tools give you a peek behind the curtain. But together, they make you a serious threat to misinformation. Subscribe to Future Tense to stay ahead of what's coming. Stay curious, stay human, and I'll see you in the next one.